chill, like calm down, like down. Chill for my fucking birthday. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Sound boy for the girl them there. Yeah, I want on to winner. I want blow like scatter make I.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is to get ready with me photo session, a birthday shoot. So I want to go get dressed. Let me go have my bath and I'll go to the makeup artist place. There's no light. So by the way, please ignore the barking dog. I don't know what's wrong with the dog. I don't know why the dog is barking. I don't even know whose dog it is. Like, I don't know, just ignore the background noise and see you guys later. So guys, I'm on my way to the makeup artist shop to get my makeup done, and I get going to the studio for my photo session because I have an agreement with the photographer to meet by 12, and this is past 10, so I need to get my makeup done and start going. So I just have to chill. Guys, I'm done. I'm going back home. I just hope it doesn't rain on my birthday. Like, see, it's raining heavily and oh my god, I'm even feeling cold. Like, so like I'm on my way back home to the house, and I'll just take that taxify, or I'll tell my mommy to take me. I'll just take taxify to the studio. Like, this code is much. So guys, I'm on my way to a studio for the shoot. You guys will see pictures or videos of it if I'm allowed to make them, and I'll be uploading them. But if I'm not allowed, you guys will just what am I saying? But if I'm not allowed, you guys will just chill till I post the pictures. And it's still raining, though. Like, it's still raining. I don't know what I did to the rain.
Okay, use your hand. Then use your hand. Something. No. Pardon. One under your waist. Yeah.
I wanna be like this. If love can be like this, I wanna do like this. If love can be like this,
Yeah, just be dancing. Let me just take you action. Yeah.
I should move this thing.
Oh yeah. Now.
You like this song,
Oh yeah, now start dancing.
I should move this thing.
Yeah.
It'll be like pushing. So guys, I'm on my way back home. I just finished the shoot and I took some other pictures with my phone and some videos. So like you guys can go patronize my makeup artist. Like damn, this makeup has been on my face since morning and water even touched it. You know, it's a rainy day and the water touched my eye and even all these parts. Like look at it now and it's still nice. Like I wish I can even sleep with it like this. Like I feel like a bad bitch, man. Oh, alright, so guys, this is the end of today's video, today's vlog or vlogmas or whatever. You guys should just chill. So like guys, yeah. Do you guys want to see how I'm going to be cleaning my makeup off? Like I really don't feel like cleaning this thing. Like I feel like sleeping with it. Like let me just sleep like this and wake up. Like you know what I'm saying? You get the gist. You get the fucking man. Just like down. You got the right one. Let this bitches know, nigga. Like damn. Take that shit. Take this shit. Take this shit. You can take screenshots. Like I'm too fine. I'm too fine.